Test meter time. I'm going to select the lowest voltage on the test meter, which is 2 volts. Then I'm going to switch on the backlight so you can properly see the measurements. Now I'm going to insert the probes into this tree to measure the output voltage that this tree is actually generating. As you can see, the tree is actually generating minus 40 millivolts, and it keeps on spiking then decreasing, but we'll just say an average voltage of 30 millivolts. All right, now I did try testing this tree, but we want it to be fair, so I'm going to test it on another tree that doesn't have surrounding trees nearby. Now I'm going to take the probes and check the voltage, and this tree is reading 58 millivolts. 58 millivolts, and that's a lot. As you can see, I managed to select the whole function and it managed to read 55 millivolts. All right, I'm going to use this wire to join all the trees together in series, and then I'm going to use nails as the probes that will go inside the trees. As you can see, these are all the trees. I selected these type of trees because there are so many, because the amount of trees I would need to create that voltage, I need a lot of trees. And now I'm just going to hammer in the nails, and then I'm going to connect all the trees in series with each other. Okay, so let me explain the wiring to you. So we have 2 nails. These 2 nails will represent a positive and a negative, and they will be inserted into the tree. So the positive will be connected to the negative of the second tree. The positive of the second tree will be connected to the negative of the third tree. The positive of the third tree will be connected to the negative of the fourth tree, and so on. And that's how it's wired. When the wiring is all completed, I'm going to take a test meter to measure the voltage, which I did, and it measured a voltage of 33 millivolts, which shocked me. I thought the voltage would be higher, but it turns out the ground actually acts like one big wire that connects all the trees together. And I later figure out that if I connect a probe closer to the roots, I will be able to tap into the series circuit, which will give me the voltage of all the trees combined. And I managed to read over 800 millivolts combined voltage, and it managed to peak over 2 volts for 1 second, and then it just disappeared. 63 millivolts. I'm going to press hold on that. Look at that, 763 millivolts. Now I'm going to try to connect the probe here. All right, so I'm going to disengage the hold, and then look, boom, look at that, 794, 795. It should peak 800 millivolts. All right, so you may be asking how many trees are connected. All right, so let me show you. We have 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we back right here. But that's not all. We have these ones, 13, 14, 15, and then we back all the way right here. Boom, 15 trees. No? Yeah, 16 if we include in the 16 trees are connected, as you can see, all the way that side back to this side right here. And there's the test meter right here. Okay, as you can see, the test meter is on amps, right? And look at this, not even a milliamp, nothing. So you see, the amount of trees I would even need just to get a 1 is a lot. Okay, so the other thing I discovered is that if you want to know what's the positive on a tree, the positive is always the wire that is closer to the roots. As you can see, I'll put that on 2 volts right there. Let me adjust this because I put it on amps, right? Put that back to volts, right? So see, the red is closer to the roots. Now if I put the black there, it's going to read a positive reading. But if the negative is closer to the roots, it's going to read a negative reading. As you can see, negative. Why? Because the negative is closer to the roots. So that's how you determine positive and negative. It's just the closest wire to the roots is your positive, and the wire furthest is your negative. And that's what I discovered. Yeah, I think that's all I discovered. Let's see. The other thing is, because all trees are connected, if I put the black probe in the ground and I put the red one here, it should read a voltage. See? All trees are connected. Look at that. See, it's reading a negative voltage because the black is closer to the roots and the red is furthest away. But as you can see, all my efforts, I can't really put more effort into it because I'm trying to wire all the trees in series. But if all the trees are connected together, it's just going to fight each other, as you can see. And let's see the distance. Alright, so if I put the probe right over here, that's a good distance away, as you can see. And if I put it right over here, look at that. Wait. It's reading a higher voltage. Does that mean I could wait? Okay. I'm going to extend it even further to about here. Okay, that's a long distance away. Let's see what we're reading now. Over 800 millivolts. No way! Alright, something's up here. Alright, let's put it even further somewhere. Let's do it even here. And that's a distance away. Look at that. Okay, and then we go back to here and we test it. Boom. 800. You know, you would think that the voltage will go lesser the further away you go, but look, it's increasing. As you can see, so yeah, that's the problem. No matter how many trees are connected together, if they're all connected together, then yeah, you're not going to increase the voltage. But it's pretty cool because it means that you're getting maximum capacity from all these trees. Yep, alright. Yeah, and that's my discovery from connecting trees together. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.